You will get to the page of this blog with its settings. You will see that title and descriptions are already taken from the text that you have inserted previously when adding your blog to free traffic system. Here the text is different because sample block is different, but the concept remains the same. So you tick this checkbox to be able to receive new comments, or in the upcoming modules, new articles and other publications unit. Make sure to make it active. Check the checkbox ticket. The blog title and description are okay. Then there is also a checkbox of approving new comments or any other content units automatically. I highly recommend you to have it deactivated so that you have a possibility to manually moderate every content that gets to your site. Still, if you want an automatic delivery of this content without your approval, you can tick this checkbox. If you want to go with manual moderation, please do not use this checkbox. Here you can put these top words that shouldn't be met in the content which is sent to your site, and there is an example of how we can put them here, but I prefer using our default stop words list. I simply check it and it will block most of the adult words that are used for the topics that the majority of blog owners would not like to get. If you have blogs in these areas, then you shouldn't checkbox it and you shouldn't put anything here. If you want to block the adult content, you simply tick the checkbox here, and the system will use its default stop word lists to make sure that you don't get the content that is coming as an adult. Another feature that I also personally use is set prices for new comments or articles or anything else automatically. It means once you have put a certain price per publication here, in this particular example we are speaking about comments because right now we have only comments module available. So if you choose the automatic creation of prices for all new comments that are coming to your site, you can put them here, and it will save you time because you put a price which is adequate in the system. Click Save Settings and that's done. By the way, please point attention to the average price in the system because it shows how much money other blogs of the same page rank in free traffic system version 2 are charging. For example, right now in the system we have 5 credits, that is 5 cents per one approved comment. For a blog with PageRank 1 that has some traffic, that has age, this is okay because this is just a comment. This is not article. Of course, for article you will charge higher, but the most important that I wanted to point out is that please pay attention to the average price in the system, because if you set up the price too high, you can get less submitters. If you dump the price a little, then you are likely to get more submitters. That is why we are showing you the average price for the blog of nearly the same quality and how much money they are charging other submitters. You can put the same price, you can put lower or higher, and click Save Settings. Once you have done it, the settings section is done. Now we are polishing up the prices a little bit, and to be able to do that, you go to the same section and click the Prices button next to the blog that you are choosing. Let's do it right now. The section of polishing up the prices is more for comments, because with articles it's easy. You just have the blog and you have a price for incoming articles. With comments it's a little bit more sophisticated, but we want to give you as much freedom as possible. That's why in this section, for example, you see lots of posts from a blog. You can set up different price for every blog post. Maybe some blog posts are getting more traffic, some blog posts are getting less traffic. Some blog posts have higher rank, some less rank. So you can tune up the price even for every blog post and comments that people are submitting to it. You can also play with changing the prices right here. For example, let's say I can tick the checkbox to choose all publications here, and instead of 5 credits per approved comment to my blog posts, I choose, let's say, 4 credits per each blog post, set equal to 4, because you can increase, you can minus, you can plus, you can add up, you can subtract from the prices. But let's say I decided to change all 5s for all publications into 4. From the drop down menu I choose set 4, click action, and then save new prices. There is a button to the right. Prices were updated, and you can see that all blog posts are now costing 4 credits for the people to submit their comments to. This is a very useful section where you can tune up publications, their price in the model of comments, because once again with articles that will be easy. You simply set up the price for the article, one article that you approve, and when you approve it you get money. If you want to play up more with comments, with the price for your specific blog posts, you can do that individually, or you can simply set up the average price in the system, make all posts, let's say, let them get back to 5. I check the tick box to the left of the table, click set and get them back to 5, click action, and after the action was clicked I click the save new prices. They have become all 5s again. This is where you polish up the price policy for your blog. And now the final part that I want to explain is how to play the prices so that you could make more money in free traffic system. You have just seen it yourself that the blog owners in free traffic system have great technological platform for playing with the prices, making them higher or lower. We have done it because free traffic system version 2 is a big marketplace with submitters from one end and blog owners from another end. Obviously you understand that the submitters, before sending you content, they will be checking up your blogs and their value. They will be comparing if what you have written in a title and description is true or not. But once they have seen it, then the game starts about choosing the best price for the submitter, because submitter wants to get the best quality for the lowest price possible. That is why you, as the blog owner who wants to make money, needs to nicely balance with the prices. If you set a high price, then you understand that the number of submitters who will be ready to pay it will be lower. If you set up a low price, then the number of submitters who are ready to pay that price for publication is higher. At the same moment, it doesn't mean that you need to dump your prices for top quality blogs. No, it's up to you. But we have given you an instrument to nicely balance the prices to the market value inside free traffic system. If you hurry up for some money, it's absolutely vital for you to lower the prices a little, compare it to the blogs of other blog owners and the prices that they charge for nearly the same quality. If you are not in a hurry, if you want to get not big amount of content, but every piece of content is very good because people are ready to pay the high price, you can do that. We have created a marketplace. We have given you the tools to balance the price to please the submitters, at the same moment taking care of the quality of your blog. Do this job. Look around what other bloggers with the blogs of nearly the same quality are offering. What sort of price? Maybe you should go a little bit higher or a little bit lower with setting up the price. It's up for you. But please understand that in the other end of this marketplace there are submitters who are people just like you and me, and they also are choosing the best price for them. This marketplace will help you to tune up the best price that will bring you the most money for every publication, be it a comment or be it an article, which of course costs more, or be it other content units that we're adding up into free traffic system shortly. But the scheme is the same. If you balance up a good price, adequate price for the publications, very soon you will see people who are submitting publications, and thus you will make money. In general, this is all about adding your blog to free traffic system. More technical details are explained in the PDF help file that is located on the very page to add blog with a question mark. There you will be able to read everything you need about all specifics of adding your blog to free traffic system. Please send your questions, send your feedback, send your suggestions, and we'll make sure that everything is clear and you make good money in free traffic system. Thank you for your attention, and it's a pleasure to be together in this new venture. Bye bye.